Hello geocachers. Well, I've just gone out for a walk in Filey and I've noticed, I don't know whether you can see this, but I'm actually really close to one. So while I'm here I thought might as well have a quick look, right? There we go. So it's called One for the Day Grid Filey Fossils. And I wonder why it's called that, because I happen to know that just up here look at that. I wonder if it's in this area. I've had a good look around and I'm pleased to say I found it. It's a very crafty little one, this one. The hint is faux vert, which is French for fake green. And I wasn't quite sure what that meant. I thought I was looking for a piece of grass, but it's actually a hobgoblin gold lid on a little cache. Look at that. How cool is that? Bit of a distraction there, bumped into one of Dad's friends. Don't know where I'd got to, but so yeah, it's in a hobgoblin gold cap that's been fixed to the lid of a little micro cache. Nice. And a nice little unexpected find. I think I might be the first one to sign this particular log. I am. So this is a very quick, short one. I hope you liked it. If you did, give the video a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. It's up to you. If you like what I'm doing on the channel, why not subscribe? It doesn't cost you anything, and it just means that YouTube will give you a notification when you log in to say that I've uploaded another video. So I'm just going to re-hide this when this guy's gone. Hello, you're a big fluffy one, aren't you?